This is the most organized bead collection I've ever seen, and we're opening bin number 48. I'm so excited for another bin of beads because the last one absolutely blew me away, and I'm so excited to see what's in here as well. I see some fishies again. There was some metal ones before, and these little stone, I guess. I mean, the bin says large organic, so I'm trying to get this one out. Hold on. Oh, look at the double fishies. There. Oh, I saw that one from the top and I was like, wow, that is stunning. Already so much fun. And the colors on this, what? I seriously haven't seen anything this pretty. Oh my goodness. It's like a whole bunch of these. These ones are turquoise. These feel a little bit lighter than the others. I don't know exactly what they're made of, but wow. Ooh, hold on. These, holding too many. These look like the beach, don't they? It looks like that. It looks like the shoreline, the water, and the sunset. There are these flowers as well. Oh, look how pretty. I tried to come up with more adjectives than the last one, but that didn't work out. These, oh my gosh. I'm just gonna ooh and ah because I really don't even know what to say anymore other than wow. Wow. I swear, I don't think I've been this excited in a while. I'm not even keeping any probably. I'm probably not even doing anything with them. I just think they are beautiful. And here is your glorious pan over. For those who are watching in vertical, they can get a much better look. Speaking of beautiful cane glass, reds and yellows. Wow. What a beautiful rainbow assortment. I don't even know where to start. Look at that cute little flower. And these ones have the orange. Oh, even the flower. Do they? I know, I can't tell. I think the flowers have the orange in them too. These beautiful yellow. Those have the blue and the yellow. I think I should have a little scoop to help me out here. Whoa, those are super fun. There's some green ones here as well. Let me see if I can get some of these more pastel-y ones out. Oh, that's cute. There's like a blue, a pink, and a couple of yellows. I like those. These are really pretty as well. There's some rose colors and green. They remind me of flowers or candy, I guess. Yummy, yummy. Just kidding, I won't eat them. This has a few rainbow ones in here as well, like literal. That one is rainbow. Maybe I'll keep a couple of those. Again, I don't know what I would do with them, but oh my gosh, I love them. I love anything rainbow. I am going to try to go just a little bit faster this time because I feel like the last video was so excessively long, but I just wanted to see everything. All right, this one's also more cane glass, blue, green, purple, black, white. Wow, this like light blue and turquoise is so pretty. This has like little tiny bits of yellow in it. Man, those are pretty. And then these are like a darker turquoise. Wow, that color combo of that blue and bluish green is just perfection. Loving this purple amethyst color. Here's some of the black and white stripes. That's a really pretty mix of colors as well. Oh, I really like the little lilacs and the bubblegum pink. And this one has some browns, oranges, and yellows. And here is your closer look. These just sparkle and shine and put a giant smile on my face. All right, speaking of sparkle and shine, I already see something that got me excited. There's no tape though. I don't know what I'm doing with those scissors. Oh. We had a bin with a little organizer of gems like this pretty early on in the series, and there was a bunch like these that I just went crazy over. I am definitely going to keep this one because I don't think I kept the starfish last time, and that is so rainbow and so up my alley. As a self-proclaimed mermaid, I absolutely need this in my collection. Oh, wow, that's pretty too. I'll let someone else have that one. Oh my gosh, the iridescents. Okay, oh man. I might need this one as well. Look at how pretty that is. Wow. Like, oh my gosh. It definitely feels like something a mermaid would wear. Aw. Oh my gosh, a seahorse. Oh wait, I actually, I have or had a necklace like this a long time ago. I probably still have it somewhere. We've got a heart, a cross. Wow, that's gorgeous. These silver little knots. What is this? Huh. Those are pretty interesting. And there's some seashell shapes. Oh, and the flowers. Wow, those would look really pretty on like the cover of a journal. Oh my gosh, are we surprised that there's a snowflake? I'm not surprised at all. And a giant leaf. If anyone is new here, my name is Stephanie. I own a secondhand art and craft supply shop called Bottom of the Bin, and we recently purchased an 80-year-old lady's entire collection of craft supplies. She loves Christmas. That's why I was like laughing at the snowflake. And we've been opening them one bin at a time, finding all of these beautiful treasures. Been an absolute pleasure, and even though we're getting down to the wire, there's still a ton more to go. I've been saying that there was over 50 bins, and there's more like 60 or 70 or maybe even more than that. I don't know. It's just there's so much. This says rock crystal real. I keep trying to open these and they're already. Oh no, that one does have tape. Rock crystal. Okay, all right. Let's see. They're all kind of clear, so I guess we're just going to be looking at the shapes here. There's some large squares. Those, I don't know, what are they, like diamond shaped? Oh, I love the ones that look like little bubbles. I don't know if you could tell, but these almost look like little tiny pumpkins. Wow, those are super clear and shiny. Oh, those are pretty too. They have a bit of a purple shine to them. Absolutely gorgeous. And here's a better look at the beautiful rock crystals. Oh wow, this one is heavy. Those are pretty. They look like little disco balls. Aww, so pretty. They look like glass. These are actually really nice and heavy. Got a cool shape to them as well. And these they're not completely round, but very cute. There you go, you get a better look. There's definitely some that feel like plastic in here and some that feel more like heavier. All right, this one says Christmas Big Silver 2. Oh my gosh, how freaking beautiful. They're like ornaments. Wait, this one feels like it will open. It does. I was like, am I breaking it? It is very strongly magnetized. There are these little, I don't know, they look like caps almost. Ooh, those have like rhinestones around the edges. There is blue and green, light blue. Oh, wow, yellowish color, red, and pink. Oh, that says believe. I got some really pretty charms here, or pendants, I guess. These large beads are really cool as well. Flourishes or floors. Is this a key? Oh my gosh, it is. Can't quite tell what's in the middle there though, but I love that. I love skeleton keys very much. And these look pretty interesting as well. Little triangles. Oh, I love those. Very pretty. And these are really intricate and beautiful as well. All right, we have this little colorful one, and it's accompanied by our good friend Bob. Everyone say hello to Bob. He's just chilling, making jewelry. Pattern beads. All right. I don't know. They're pretty. They're very beautiful. Ooh, that has some cool colors and shapes in there. And these are so cute. They're rounded and they have like, I don't know, little tiny spiky thingies coming out of them. Oh my gosh, these are beautiful. Look at that beautiful pink color. And speaking of beautiful pink, those are absolutely gorgeous. Aw, and these look like, I don't know, cotton candy or bubble gum. Very subtle pink. Definitely some gorgeous ones in here. I love the way the light reflects off of these, and they just make me so happy. Okay, there's a couple more pink ones here, and I love all of these. I'm gonna try not to pull every single one out because we'll be here forever, but let's grab some of the ones that really strike me, like those and the iridescence. Oh my gosh, I might want to keep those just because of how pretty they are. They look very unique. Oh my gosh, as are these. They're beautiful little flowers. I love those. They're also like tiny little flowers, and they've got like I don't know, a hot pink, a light pink, and a white. Very beautifully colored. Itty bitty little pink flowers. Wow, these are absolutely magical. And some cute little pink leaves. Wow. Those remind me of like fairies or a magical forest. They're just so whimsical. Oh my gosh, the iridescence on these. Oh, my heart. Here's some more of the beautiful leaves. These have pink and purple as well. And there's more of these flower-shaped ones in various shades. Gotta say, this is definitely one of my favorites. All the different shades of pink make my heart skip a beat. And even more pink. Whoa. Hold on, these look like tiny little moons, are they? Or maybe they're supposed to be petals, like flower petals? I can't quite tell. All sorts of different colors, and then these tiny little flowers. So stinking adorable. All right, who's ready for some blues? Or I guess turquoise. These labels might actually be right. Well, that one looks like it's a string. Oh my gosh, that was $22. These say handmade ceramic tubes, large turquoise nuggets. Ooh. Oh, the color variation on that is absolutely stunning. These say turquoise chips. Wow. Love, love, love those. And these as well. I'm seriously in love. I mean, how can you not be? How can you not see this and just instantly be happy? I seriously can't even imagine the type of love that went into this collection. Absolutely beautiful. All of these different strings of beads. Oh my gosh. Ooh, those are more green. Speaking of green, ooh, I know we don't have a lot of green beads in our shop right now because we just sorted everything by color. I mean, there was a fair amount of green, but not very many mint. Like I made a bin just for the mint ones. So some of these will definitely go in there. Oh my gosh. So, so pretty. Green and purple just are perfection together. Oh my gosh. So, so pretty. Oh, they're like frosted. Aw, look at the star. Wow, that's a nice deep green. Ooh. Those are really fun. These don't quite fit in with the colors, but wow, gorgeous. Next, we have some beautiful deep blues. Oh, and some stars. So freaking pretty. Love these. Oh, those are really nice. They have like the little gold tips, like those red ones we saw in the last bin. They're like a really dark smoky blue. Oh, wow. I don't even know what to say anymore. That's got to be one of the prettiest shades of blue I've ever seen. Aw, some cute little leaves. Wow. That's also a very beautiful color. And these light blues, oh my gosh. Marvelous. Just marvelous. And these have a really pretty swirl on them. There is your close-up view. Oh my goodness. Just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And my second favorite color. So any combo of like blue, pink, blue, turquoise just absolutely is my favorite. And I really, really like the ones in here. Ooh, those are nice and frosted. This is one of my favorite blues. Oh, so pretty. Oh, that's a cute little strand there. And then we have more of these leaves. We saw them in a different color earlier, but here they are in blue. Oh my gosh, the shiny always gets to me. Oh my gosh, that blue and green together. Wow. Ooh, those tubes are also stunning. I love these little teardrop shapes. These have a bit of a reflection where you can see a little bit of like green and mint. The camera doesn't pick it up perfectly, but oh wow. Gorgeous blue and green cubes. Aww, little tiny turquoise. Well, I guess they look more like blue on camera, but they look like they have a bit of a turquoise shimmer to them. Wow, this little combo is absolutely incredible. That'll do it for bin number 48. Make sure to follow and subscribe so you don't miss the next unbinning.